Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how natural gas price has moved in the last month and how the natural gas price can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas has made once a high of around $16.482. Okay, and this is in the month of 2006. After that, what we have seen, a sharp fall. Okay, and again it has tried to go upside and made a high of around $14.299. Okay, and from there we have seen there was a continuous fall, and after 2009 we have seen it was in the particular zone for quite some time, and you can say only after November 21 we have seen this price has moved upside, and then only it has made a high of around $9.9, which is in this particular one or 2 week back. Okay, otherwise it has made a high of around $9.6, okay, before that, and now it is trying to go upside. Okay, because this range has break upside, and a probability is there because of the war and import and export disturbance. There is a probability it can go further upside. Okay, now what we can see looking at the chart, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that. Now suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, okay, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $9.621. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of $9.99. Okay, and this particular resistance is already being tested here and as a weak resistance, so probability is high, very high. We can see it can touch a level of $10.116. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability and sustain, we can see a level of $10.238. Okay, so once the price goes above this and this resistance not being tested here, so we can see a bounce back at this level, but a support we can see coming at around 10.11. Okay, so we can see bounce back towards an upside. Suppose if this particular level goes upside, then we can see it can cross this particular level and can go further high towards a level of $10.78. Okay, so suppose if the price goes above $10.7, then there is a high probability we can see if that sustain, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $11.511. Okay, so suppose if the price goes up that level, then there is a higher probability of going further high towards a level of $11.81, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $12.6. Okay, so once the price goes above a level of $12.6, and this particular level, what you can see is again a resistance which is already being tested here, you can see at this particular level, so we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $13.6. So once the price goes above $13.6, then we can see it can go further upside, because this range has not come for about a period from 2008, we have not seen this particular level, so we can see there is a probability it can go further upside. Now you have to understand something, market will not move sharp upside as well as downside till the time there is no big news like war or pandemic situations. So how market moves, it moves in a range and then go upside and again move in the same. This is suppose it moves in the upside, in the same way it will hold for some time, then it will move down. Okay, this is how the market moves. It will not move a sharp fall till the time there is not big news. So now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see the price of natural gas can come again to a level of $9.08, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of $8.7. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can go and touch a level of $8.2, and if this particular level didn't sustain, then there is a high probability we can see it can go further down towards a level of $7.65. Okay, so suppose if the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability we can see a level of $7.2, and suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $6.6. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can come down again, and in this particular zone we can see natural gas can come. Okay, so it can fall to a level of $6.2, and from there we can see it can come down again to a level of $5.4. Okay, so once the price come below the 6.2, we can see it can come to a level of $5.4, and from there we can see it can further fall towards a level of around 5.5 $4.8. Okay, so once the price fall below $4.8, then we can see it can move further down, because this is these levels, because the price of natural gas was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. So this range, then there is a probability natural gas move for a longer period again. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.